Ta-da! The structure is up. It's actually a house shape. So everything inside the living room will be inside this house. And the house is on platform. So we're gonna have our sofa here facing the TV console. Okay, TV console is also going to be interesting, but now you can't see lah because the acrylic stuff are not up and the leg is not up. TV will be here, of course, right? And then here we will have our poster. So now the two cube lights are up. Yep. So from this angle, it will look like this. Still fine tuning to see how we can make it better. So my cabinet, shoe cabinet is up. This is the one with the wheels. Okay, so see the cube handle. Okay, all these are adjustable shelves so that they can adjust according to the height of the shoes or boots. But I think likely no boots lah, huh? Now also can't really travel. So boots are usually for winter. Cute, right? And here we will have a pegboard. This is a cabinet. This will be cute after we put in the handles, because the handles are big and unusual here. Okay. And this will be our bar area. The bar table is up. We call it the bar table lah, but it's actually a ledge. So imagine you put your drinks here. And then here, right, we're gonna turn up with plants. So as you can see, a lot of plants around. This is not the only space. We're going to have a pseudo plant wall here. The entire place, right, will be filled with plant wall. But it's more grass than plant now. There's no plant sticking out. It's just grass. Grass like this. So it's gonna be cute and fresh looking and vibrant and fun. So that's it for this area, and we're gonna have another interesting structure here to serve as a semi-dining area. But the main dining area will still be here, where we will have a dining table and a couple of nice chairs on top of having the bar on the other side. Yep. Okay, so master bedroom. We are going to paint a nice teal here. Okay, I think on video you can't see. It turns out blue. Actually, it's a very nice teal color. Almost peacock-ish green. So that is the wall color. And we're going to have nice plant decor there. Complete with lights. So we're going to zheng. Okay, then the ledges are up. Bedside ledges. Cute, right? Then in the middle, right, we're gonna have some cute wordings, cursive wordings. Okay, that one my contractor see already, also faint because he was saying it's too thin. Maybe I can show you in a while. And like I said, this belongs to the girls' room, so it's 暂时 put here. Okay, I'll show you the wording. It is glamorously put in the toilet. See this? It's gonna be let's stay in bed, but cursive. Okay, when installed, it's gonna be nice. Let me put it back to its glamorous position. And here is the girls' room. Main structure not up yet, as you can see. It's supposed to be inside the room, the master bedroom. But here, we're gonna have nice graphics. And the nicely painted wall that matches the color, the pink color. We are quite particular about this pink, so it's choose until very precise one. So as you can see, it's a small room, but we are leaving no stones unturned. Still going to make it cute and sweet. Here is where the bed is. So with this thing, right, we can keep the bed to very basic because the key feature is this. So the bed, right, can buy from anywhere as long as it's not obiang and it's normal height. It doesn't have those like a double decker kind of a feel. Then we are good. Okay. After the graphics is up, it'll be cute lah. And this is the boys' room. Boys' room is also the same kind of a structure, except it looks different up here. So all this is not up yet. Again, here is for the bed. So it can be a very basic bed. So when I come up with all these designs, right, it also we're also trying to balance things up. Like for example, if we spend on this, then the bed we can keep it simple so that we can balance out. Not everything also needs to be expensive one. On this wall, we will have graphics and graphics. Okay. And this is the structure that I was telling you guys about.